Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Patreon tiers to monetize your audience step by step clearly. To enable Patreon tiers to monetize your audience, start by logging into your Patreon account. Navigate to your creator dashboard. Click on the Tiers tab located in the left-hand menu. Select Add a tier to create a new membership option. Enter a catchy title for your tier that reflects its value. Define the price that you want to charge for this tier. Provide a detailed description of the benefits your patrons will receive. Consider adding images or icons to enhance visual appeal. Set a limit on the number of patrons for this tier if desired. Decide on the frequency of billing, which can be monthly or per creation. Include any additional features such as exclusive content or early access. Save the tier once all details are entered. Review all tiers to ensure they align with your monetization strategy. Make sure to check the visibility settings for your tiers. Once everything looks good, publish your tiers. Promote your new tiers across your platforms to inform your audience. Engage with your patrons to build a strong community around your content. Continuously assess the performance of your tiers and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.